Hi guys, welcome to Ramadan day 6. Yes. Today I'm in charge of cooking. So I'm gonna start cooking now because it is 4 p.m. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna show you what I will be cooking. So today I will be making this golden curry, Japanese curry mix with chicken. I've prepared this potato and carrot. I'm gonna make the sauce first and then I'm gonna cook the chicken. I'm just gonna wait for the chicken to cook and then I finish cooking. So now I'm gonna go buka puasa with my friend. I just cook for my family and then I'm just gonna go out buka with my friend. Alright, so let's go. I'm waiting for my friend. It is already 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. So I'm just gonna hurry up, buy things to Iftar and then meet with other friends. Okay, let's go. Welcome to Ramadan day 7. So I'm bringing my kitten to the clinic because they have to vaccine for the second time. And yeah. Hi guys, now it's 5:30. So while waiting for Iftar, I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing. I bought a few clothes from JN Dressing. So here is the packaging. So the first item is this white plaid shirt. It is a shirt like this small plaid shirt. It is cute. This kind of plaid. And then we got this too. Like the design is like polka like that. Next we got this. So this shirt is cream color and it has this design that you have to put this string at this hole And the last one is a sweatshirt, knit sweatshirt in purple color. It's either purple or green, so I choose purple. It is quite heavy. The material is quite heavy. It has this blue color hint. It has this hint of blue color. So that's all for this unboxing. I'm gonna show you what we have for iftar. So we have new soup. So here our poached egg. Here's the noodle. So we have our soup here. So for our kueh, we have onde-onde. And what's this? And putu piring. Onde-onde. Onde-onde, putu piring, dorayaki. And what's this? Cake sarang semut. So that's all for this for today vlog. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Happy iftar, everyone.